I am Hossein Ahmed. I am a barista from Bangladesh with 2 months experience of professional barista course. I specialize in latte art and preparing hot and cold coffee. I can adjust grinder machine and calibrate coffee, handle customer service, and manage the cash counter.
How many types of coffee roasting are there?
There are 4 types of coffee roasting: light roast, medium dark roast, dark roast.
How do you make high quality coffee?
Number 1, the types of coffee beans used. Number 2, coffee particle size. Number 3, water temperature and around 90 to 96 degrees Celsius. Number 4, coffee to water ratio. And number 5, the contact time.
Tell me some coffee names.
Americano, Noeste, Cortado, Affogato, Longo, Cappuccino Latte, Piccolo Latte, Flat White. B60, coffee of the day, filter coffee.
Can you make a B60?
Yes.
Can you do latte art?
Yes.
Show me some latte art and a B60.
Okay.